Moms Every Day with Crystal Downey is brought to you by the sponsors of MomsEveryday.com.
Welcome to MomsEveryday.com. Joining us is Jessica Christian with the Early Childhood Intervention Program through MHMR. First off, Jessica, what is ECI and who can make a referral to ECI?
ECI is a statewide program for children and their families birthed at 3 years old. We stop at their third birthday, and anyone can make a referral, doctor, daycare worker, parent, grandparent, anyone.
Okay. How are services determined then?
Well, after the referral is made, then a team will go out and do a comprehensive evaluation, and if the child is eligible, then they will write a plan for services with the parent.
Okay, and when you say eligible, what are some of the different services you're talking about?
Some of the services we provide are physical therapy, occupational therapy, specialized skills training, case management, nutrition services, audiology and vision services.
And where are those services provided? Where do you do it?
Well, our philosophy is that we believe that the children learn best in their natural environments, so we go wherever the child is. We go to homes, daycares, grandma's house, wherever.
Okay. Where can we learn more about ECI services?
Well, if you have internet access, you can go to the DARS website or the MHMR website.
Okay, and we can also give a call?
Or you can give us a call.
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it. If you'd like more information about ECI services and how you can make a referral and receive those services, you can log on to momseveryday.com/BCS.